Good morning. Things have gotten completely out of hand. This is officially the longest my hair has ever been. Not quite sure how I feel about it. I wake up, I don't have time, I just wake up and I'm like, see ya. You know what? It's been a while since I've done a hair video. I have now done short hair video, I've done a medium hair video, I've done like some weird in-betweens, and it's time to just add along. I feel like, I don't think I'm gonna go much longer though, I have to say. I mean, it's... So first let's figure out, I don't even know how long, figure out how long my hair is. Huh. The front is at like 9.5 inches. Ow, ow, ow. It's so long at this point. Wait. Hang on. My hair's never been long enough. Oh no, that's weird. I look like a samurai. Or a desperate housewife.
Bitch.
Ah. Ow. Ow. Why would anyone want to do this? This is not okay. Not okay. Not okay. I don't think the man bun's for me. If it's for you, that's totally fine. This is bedhead on a good day. Must have slept like Sleeping Beauty last night because this shit, it's really frizzy. I also wore a hat yesterday, like all day. Things are flatter than normal. It's long as hell. Let's get into it, huh? Before I can really do anything, I've gotta just... All right, like I said, not much has changed except for the fact that I look like wet Jesus.
Wet Jesus.
You know why my hair grows so fast? Not aggressive with it. I have said that in every single hair video that I've done. Alright. My leg! Off to a good start. Without further ado, the man of the hour. Harry, thanks for joining us. Buddy. As always, pomade. It's all you need. One product, 10 minutes, and like 10 more minutes to dry. Use about that much. Now that it's a little longer, I don't use as much as I used to. Flip my head down though. Now that it's longer, I go like this. Look at that, almost done. That's it. If you feel like slicking it a little bit, do that, look at this. Just the sides, so it's out of my fucking face. So I've talked about this ad nauseum at this point, but every so often I just gotta, reiterate my point, right? Every step of the way. Pomade, again, I use Harry, it doesn't matter. It just needs to be a low to medium hold and a matte finish. Pomade, like, it holds like all the frizz and shit together. Can't explain its black magic, but whatever it's done, it's totally changed my life. I actually did another video where I ranked a bunch of different pomades. If you're confused about which one to buy, go watch that video. All right, I'll be back in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go walk my dog. I'll be f***ing dry by then, okay? See you guys in a little bit.
A few minutes later.
It was a little windy outside, but we're basically dry. There you have it. I mean, listen, people have told me that I look like Jon Snow, King of the North. People have told me that I have Timothy Chalamet's hair. But for men, just kidding. People have also told me that I look like Jesus.
Amen.
I'm gonna argue with any of those? Absolutely not. I will take every single one of those. But the funny thing is that for years I kept my hair short because I had no idea what to do with it. But every time I'd grow it out, I would never think, oh, you know what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use pomade. You know why? Because everyone's like,
Oh, you just need a leave-in conditioner.
bullshit that makes me look puffy and like a chia pet and doesn't hold anything together, and I look ridiculous, so I cut it. Meanwhile, this shit had in my drawer one day, pulled it out, realized it worked, made a video, and now here we are today. I've never strayed. Don't veer off course. Listen, I know I'm pretty much dry, but I personally prefer going in with a little bit more. A little bit more. Boom, there you have it. You're done. I'm done. If you're new here, I probably should have said this at the beginning, but whatever, it's too late now. Hey, welcome, like, subscribe. I do more than hair content, but once in a while I come back and I'm like,
Hey, just want to remind you guys that, all you need in your life is pomade.
a pomade with a matte finish. Extremely important. As always, thanks for being here. Shout out to Harry's, who does not sponsor this video. It doesn't sponsor me. So you can take my word for it. I'm not bought and paid for yet. All right, thank you again for being here. Like I said, hair's about like 9.5 inches long in the front, so it's probably similar-ish all the way around. Probably a little shorter in the back, actually. But like, I haven't gotten a trim or a haircut in like 5 months. All right, I'll stop slapping you. I'm sorry. Okay, Godspeed. Thanks for being here, guys.